In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members to your team in Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, how to choose the right role for each person, and the easiest way to get your whole team into your workspace. Let's start from your Monday.com dashboard. Look up to the top right corner of your screen and find your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with either your initials or a picture. Go ahead and click that. This profile menu is where you'll find most of your account level settings, including anything related to managing people on your account. Once that menu opens, you're looking for the option to invite members or for a section related to your team or users. The wording can vary a little depending on updates or your plan, but it will be something like invite members, users, or teams. Click that option to open the invitation panel. If you don't see it right away, check for a Teams or Admin section in the menu because the invite option is often tucked inside there. Now you'll be on the screen where you can actually invite people. You'll see a field where you can enter email addresses. Type in the email of each person you want to add to your Monday.com account. You can usually add more than one at a time, separated by commas or by pressing enter after each address. Next, you'll choose their role. This is important because it controls what they can and can't do. A member is a regular user who can work on boards, update items, and collaborate with others. An admin has full control. They can manage billing, security settings, and all users, so reserve this role for people who really need that level of access. A viewer is more limited. They can see boards but usually can't make changes. This is great for stakeholders who just need visibility without editing anything. Take a moment to select the role that best fits each person's responsibilities. Most invite panels also let you include a short custom message. This is a nice touch to explain why they're being invited, what workspace or boards they'll be using, or what you'd like them to do first when they log in. When you're happy with the emails, the roles, and the message, click the invite button to send those invitations out. If you'd rather not type individual emails, there's often an alternative option to copy an invite link. Look for something like copy invite link or share link. When you click that, Monday.com will generate a unique URL. You can share this link with your teammates through chat, email, or any communication tool you use. When they click it, they'll be able to sign themselves up and join your account automatically using whatever role or workspace settings you've defined for link-based invites. This is especially handy when you're onboarding a larger group at once, and that's all there is to it. By using either direct email invitations or the shareable invite link, you can quickly build out your Monday.com team and get everyone collaborating in the same place.